Imagine you're presenting a new idea at work. How do you make sure your message stands out clearly and confidently? The answer lies in using powerful visual aids. Visual aids, such as slides, charts, diagrams, or even simple handouts, help make complex information easier to understand and remember. Begin by selecting the right type of visual for your content. For data, clear graphs or charts work best. For explaining processes, diagrams or flowcharts are ideal. Always keep your visuals simple. Avoid clutter and focus on highlighting key points. When you display your visual, explain it clearly and confidently. Point to specific parts and connect them directly to your argument. This approach helps your audience follow your logic and see strong evidence supporting your point of view. Use visuals to emphasize trends, comparisons, or changes over time. Additionally, practice pronouncing key vocabulary like networking, collaboration, and professional skills to improve your English pronunciation and sound more professional. Remember, visual aids are not a crutch. They are a valuable tool to reinforce your message. By mastering them, you'll develop confidence, enhance your conversation skills, engage your audience effectively, and put across your point of view with greater impact.